You shut up. No! I hate it. I'm not getting cooked, bro. Chill. No, dude. Dude, what? I'm playing too much Anna. I mean, valid. Dude, ain't no way he caught that. What? Wife, you just turned the AC on. Just want to make sure it doesn't sound like we're actually flying in a convertible plane. Oh, it's a tight round. JD's looking solid, though. Oh, the Tijuana Twister. You gotta think JD's feeling confident here. Oh, but this is Tekken, and tides can turn in a minute. Oh, not this time, though. Is that gonna hit the wall? Let's find out. No wall. He yeeted him, but he's still alive. Nice duck on the 4. Oh, my screen went dark. That's a personal issue. Oh, is he gonna go 4 again? Oh, and he goes crossbody. JD takes the first set. Oh, Sonis and Lightning now using the humble approach on each other. It's all hugs until the match starts. Oh, JD with combos on the tip of King's toes. Literally the tip of that boot. Good thing we're not fighting the ladies here. That hitbox very generous. Ooh. JD, you gotta play it smarter. You're gonna lose this round. Nice. Oh. Nice duck. Ooh, text the low grab. No punches thrown. Damn. Big Stars is locked in. Oh, we're getting another giant swing, and that's gonna do it. Stars takes one. Man, it's crazy. Guys, make alley kicks plus on block. Am I right? Ooh, that's not looking good. Wow, JD, respect. 4? Eat. Slow clap for JD on. Nice duck. That's how you punish when you duck a grab, man. It's looking good for JD right here. Yo, big man Rager. No, I'm kidding. Rager, winner if you feel appropriate. Play much, so I was like, well, thanks for buying me a, $80 game with all the DLCs. Appreciate it. Not gonna complain, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it doesn't get up. Man, you gotta think the moonsault would have been a good choice. Nice Shining Whiz. Oh, forward, forward, forward. I actually can't make him do this. What's up, Koopa? Ooh, ooh. Speed bag in the nuts is crazy. Oh. RKO Finn? Wait for the TWF. You know King enough. More than enough. And then you can be part of any of the All King events. I mean, that's pretty much what Pastad does. He's not really a King main, but he uses him good enough. Lightning King knows that. Alright, I'm gonna start spamming Diz to see if homie's ready. Like me getting washed by that Howrong where I got 3 perfect because Lightning King told me, dude, just try to kick parry him. Kick parry him. All right, we got past that. Who honestly hasn't played much Tekken, let alone King in a while. Rocking his Digimon fit. I don't know his Digimon names anymore. I'm so sorry. And then Diz has been playing hard, man. Diz has been streaming and working to practice it more before I try to live trial it, my boy. Getting 3 times perfect. Using that down, like quick crouch, down forward 2? Yeah, 2. I'm just forgetting. What is it when you like, I don't know, like single frame it? Is that the right terminology? I'm sorry, I'm terrible. Oh, pass that hunting for the perfect! Oh, he's not gonna get it. He eats the gut punch. He's on the wall. Ooh, just a normal grab. Probably not what he was looking for. But the low parry was. Oh, tries the mid grab. Dude, that gut punch is going hard. Low parry. Oh my. Yo, this is a force, man. Oh, evil. Evil. In my Diz, bro. What? Diz, you monster! His name, but another Yoshi player that's in the TFC. But I haven't been hearing from him much. I haven't seen him like even Beyond or anything. So, but there's you, Owl. You play Yoshi, right? I might set up that mirror match. Oh, here comes the yeet! He gets it! Oh, the duck wasn't long enough, buddy! Oh, pass is mixing up. Oh, pass is mixing. All right. Oh, man. It's just something about when he ducks in front of him, it makes him want to duck. You know what I'm saying? Oh, nice. Get the combo. Oh, not quite that. Oh. Oh, he drops it, though. You can tell he's a little rusty. Oh, no. Darn, he could have punished that with anything. Anything but what he did. Stopping almost every low. I know Pass hasn't used like the quicker lows, like down 3. Damn, eats a perfect. You know, or down forward 4. There, wow, there we go. Is Buddy like listening? Gotta punish that. Oh, okay. We'll take it. Oh no, he eats it himself. Looks like Diz might finish this out. Let's see. He finally gets it. Ooh, no ground grab though. Ooh, standard grab. Come on, Diz. That should be it. Oh no! 4? Okay, not quite the punish there that we're looking for, but at least he got a punch on him. Nice duck. Now Diz go for, I was going to say, go for the ground grab. Oh, there we go, 2 break. Gets launched, though. Looking rough for Pass, but at least he didn't get washed. Oh, catches you! Nice. Oh, doesn't get the 1-2 break. Oh, he tried to use heat. I know he did. He tried to use heat, but it ran out. I guarantee it. Oh, no. Looking dominant. Looking like Sonis shouldn't have slept and should have been up labbing. Ooh, eats the gut punch. Lightning moving like a goddamn random moves generator. Let's go. Those mix-ups are insane. Oh, that's going to be airborne. That's my man. He got this. We got Miss Lightning King in the chat. A little bit far away. Oh, what? RKO, baby. He hears voices. Oh, no. Tries to punish the whiff with a grab, but gets launched instead. Low launched. Ooh, that's gonna be the set for Sonis. So this is the first to 5 for the Lightweight King Championship between Sonis and Lightning King. Then it's just an open lobby, just some fun. Sonis getting more patient, but it doesn't quite pay off there. Oh, snap! Lightning King up 3-1. Sonis needs this bad to stay in it. Oh, finally a block on down forward, crouching down forward 1. Another one, all right. Ooh, tries a little wave dash. I don't know, that wave dash may be getting risky. Oh, the gut punch isn't though. Ooh, doesn't quite get that full carry. Wasn't quite close to the wall. Ooh, I think that might have been a misinput. He went for the people's elbow. Nice. Oh, and the counter. That round he absolutely would have cooked. Let's not forget only for right armor right. Like that is yeah, that's valid. Only right-sided hits. We don't even get a full parry, man. Can't parry everything. Man, Sonis with a dominant round there. We go up 3-3. Oh, he just raw goes for the low? Are you... Oh, man, you gotta think Lightning should pop heat. Oh, eats that. Round of the final set. Feet snatcher, empty your pocket. Oh, they both go for forward neutral too. Dude, I don't know. This is too close to call. He gets it! Oh, he's dude, I have been begging this man to hit that crouching down forward 2. Oh my god, no way! He hits it with a fucking tombstone